Open Picsart app. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step, go to add photo and select the banner PNG. Friends, this is the banner PNG. Bring it to the center like this. Simply stretch it. Okay, now keep there. Now arrange this Happy Diwali PNG in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select further PNG. Now arrange this design in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and rotate it like this and arrange in this portion. Perfect. Now arrange this lantern in this portion here. Now tap on shadow. Now tap on position. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Okay. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select their further PNGs. Friends, these are the two PNGs. First, I am going to arrange this one here. Now arrange these lights here. Perfect. Now tap on these candles, tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange in this portion here. Now tap on flip rotate, tap on third one. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is standing pose model image. By using this cutout tool, I already erased the background. Okay. Now simply arrange it in the center like this. You can arrange in this portion here perfectly. Now tap on shadow, tap on position and keep it 100. Keep it 100. Perfect. Now tap on adjust, make it 100 and keep it around 30. Now tap on add photo and select the shadow PNG. Now bring this shadow PNG to here. Tap on layers, tap on move down. Now again tap on duplicate and bring another one here. Tap on move down. Perfect. Now tap on model. Now we have to go to adjust. Tap on saturation, increase saturation and increase temperature to 100. Now tap on tick. Tap on tick. In the final step, go to FX. In the next step, go to FX. Tap on FX. You have to go to vignette. Make it 100 and keep it around 85. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special Happy Diwali tutorial is completed. This is the before background. This is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial and don't forget to like the video.